What do I got? What do I got? What do I got? Ah! Oh, for those of you who guessed, this is a kit. And this is a DIY at home, everything you need to create nails easily. So we're gonna actually do this process today. So what is inside is, let's see. Okay, so there is going to be options, and we're going to get more options as we go. This is a full-size kit. This is a kit for if you want to do... Oh, okay, we got some fillers, and let's see. Get these out of the way. All right, so this is a full-size kit. We are going to come out with miniature kits. You're going to get a full-size monomer, 4-ounce monomer. And then you're gonna get 2 acrylics, 1 clear, 1 nude, a nude of your choice. I might end up doing just choose whatever you want. You can either get clear or you can get 2 nudes, whatever you choose. And then we have our full cover tips. And we have all of the tools necessary to do nails, and I mean all of the tools. So you got your file. This is a 100-180 grit file. You're gonna have a size 10 brush. You're not gonna have a big brush because doing nails like this does not require a big brush. So yeah, you're gonna get a decent size brush, a size 10. You're going to get a pumice stone for etching the inside of the tips. And you're going to get a cuticle pusher. So pretty much you don't need anything else but this kit and maybe some alcohol. All right. And we're going to get started on showing you how to do your own nails with this kit and how easy it is. Seriously, it is super, super easy. So, okay, what you need to do when you are sizing your tips, these are sculpted tips. If you see, right? If you can see how they curve down near the cuticle area. So what you're going to do is when you size them, you're going to make sure that you have space in between the nail bed and the nail, right? Because you need an apex. These are going to give you your apex. You just have to not smush them all the way down. Okay, does that make sense? I hope that makes sense. Let's make it make sense. You need to leave space in between your natural nail and the tip so that you can leave space for the acrylic so you have structure in there, right? And these are 600 piece tips. I told you guys this is the big kit. I'm serious. You can do your nails, your friend's nails. This is enough to do pretty much 60 sets of nails, depending on how you do it. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our etching pen and just etch the inside of the tips. And it goes pretty quick because it's rounded. So you're going to etch all of the inside of the tip because the acrylic is literally going to touch all of it. You're going to take all of the shiny off of the inside, right? Okay. And then I'm going to finish doing this and I will be right back. So, all right, all of my tips are completely etched and it took me no time at all just to take our little, pumice stone and etch the inside of the nails. So now what you need to do is you need to push back your cuticle, of course. This is a prep step for any type of application. Just push back the cuticle and expose as much of the nail bed as possible. And you're going to get crusty white stuff, which is the dead skin and protein on your nail bed. Now, the reason that I came out with this kit is because I hate doing this method with gel. I'm not coordinated enough because gel doesn't cure on its own. So once you press the nail down and you want to do it on yourself, you have to be coordinated enough to keep the nail held down and then wipe the sides where it spills out from around the edge of the nail, like hitting your skin. You want to clean that up, right? So I'm not coordinated enough to do it, and I get like a million air bubbles and everything else. So doing this method, it doesn't take coordination. You literally just hold the tip down for like 10 seconds and then yeah, you just uh take your brush and clean up the sides. You don't have to hold it and do all that at the same time. It's unnecessary. So that's what I love about this. And I love the fact that it's super, super simple. Like you're going to see me do this in like 15, like not even 15 minutes. We only have 15 minutes to record. So what I'm doing is I'm buffing the shine off of my nails, right? Because you can't adhere something that needs to, you need to etch your nails. You need to add texture so it can grip into the texture, and also you need to be removing oils and surface shine. So not just texture here and there, you want to get it all around the nail, right? Because you want the acrylic to literally adhere to all of your nail bed and not just some of it. So this method is used by a lot of people, but I have not seen a kit come out with it. I've seen gel kits and stuff, but I'm not really a gel person. It's kind of hard on me, so I'm not coordinated enough. So I figured I would just come out with this, and this is my preferred method. It's way easier, I feel like, and way more efficient, time efficient, definitely. And this kit has everything that you're going to need, including our monomer is a primerless monomer. So that means that it has primer in it. So all you're going to need on your own is alcohol as a dehydrator. Unless you have primer and dehydrator, then definitely go for it, girl. Use that primer and dehydrator. Of course, you want to get as much longevity out of your nails as possible. But this kit is definitely for people, who don't have lamps and aren't really, this is literally just for a beginner. So in this kit, I chose to get Eat My Peach and I See Through You Clear, right? So this is the Eat My Peach, and this is the one that I'm going to be using today so that you guys can see the application easier. So if you guys like our little dap and dish, these are available on the website, and everything here is available separately on the website except for the tips. So I'm going to take my brush and dip it into the monomer. I'm going to put out a video for breaking in a brand new brush. I don't have time to explain how to break in the brush today. So I'm going to stir this up because I know how long it's been sitting in storage. This is, a new jar, so I'm going to stir it up, make sure we get that nice and good. And I already dehydrated my nail beds, so what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and I'm going to explain this to you as simply as possible. We're going to apply this. When we go to apply it, I'm going to apply a wet bead of acrylic in here at the cuticle area. And I'm going to flatten it out just a little bit as fast as possible. And then I'm going to apply it at a 45-degree angle to my nail bed, pushing it up towards the cuticle area, but not touching the cuticle area. And then I'm going to slowly fit it downward, okay? Now the trick is you need to get enough acrylic in there to make sure that you cover your whole nail bed. And you can troubleshoot this. You can pull it right back off, wipe the acrylic that was on your nails and, wipe it off and start over. Oops, sorry. So what we're gonna do, yeah, that's not a big enough bead. So this is not Eat My Peach. Oh, I guess I chose one in the pink. Okay, whatever. That's okay. I'm all right with that. So we're gonna put our little wet bead up in the cuticle area. Kinda smush it out a little bit. Help it up the center. Wipe our brush, and then we are going to apply it at a 45-degree angle up towards the cuticle and then flatten it out, right? All right, I'm going to make sure that I hit my sidewalls, right? Yeah, I'm not smashing it all the way down. I'm just making sure that my sidewalls are touching. All right, that should be good. I'm going to lift up and then flip it over and use my brush to pat out the underneath, which should be pretty simple. It'll hold on itself. You don't have to do it with your own hands. You don't have to try to, you can hold it like this for your thumb if you feel like it might lift, but it shouldn't. It definitely should not lift up. All right. So that's pretty good. And I like that color. Let me see. Yeah, that looks good. So, all right. Let's see. Push down there a little bit. Get that little air out. Okay. So now I'm going to fill in the underneath of the nail because I want the structure there. I want these to be real acrylic nails, right? And this is a non-dominant hand application, so, don't judge. I have no idea how to do this. Oh, okay. There, not bad. That's pretty good. I like that. Okay. All right. Pop our edge. Could probably use like a little bit more, I think. Can you guys see? Okay. So here we go. We're going to pick up one more bead. All right, that's a tiny bead. All right, let's put it up there and then swoop it forward, right? There we go. That should get it all over. The color should be all over. I don't want to see any clear spots on the sidewalls. That's what I don't like when you're trying to do this with polygel. I hate when people try to do this with polygel and you see the clear on the sides. It's not it for me. So, all right, we're going to do this next one real quick. Now, what I do suggest is that you try to figure out what the best straight line is. Kind of put these up to your nails to begin with and make sure that you agree that it's going to be straight, right? Because you don't want it to not be straight. All right, so we're getting it down the sides. Okay, I think I like this. All right, now we're going to tip it over in a second. All right, so tip it over and we're going to get that stuff off the back side. Just going to kind of flatten this out a little bit. You don't want it lifted up under there, so we're just flattening it out. Okay, now we're going to add a little bead into the free edge just to give it some more structure. Sorry, it's my non-dominant hand application. I can't help the shaking. It is what it is. I'm lucky I'm able to even do this, honestly. Okay. Because I stink at non-dominant hand application, straight up. Okay. Yeah, we're going to need some more. Okay. Let me pick up the bead with this hand. And then, go like this. Oh, 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 oh. All right. Let's apply that in there. Oh, that might be too much. Well, that's all right, though, because I can clean it out. There we go. Okay, wipe your sidewalls if you get any over the edge. And yes, I'm very happy with that. I like it. I like it a lot. Okay, so, and we're going to be painting these when we're done, but we're going to paint them with regular fingernail polish after we file them into shape. So, all right, guys, so application, here we are. Now we need to file into shape, which the shape is already there, right? It's already there. So I'm going to go ahead and file these into shape. I'm going to be right back. We are going to be coming out with different sizes, different shapes. You're going to want to go up in the cuticle area, which that's going to be a lot easier for me when I am not on camera. But yeah, you're gonna get that cuticle area nice and smooth. I can release a YouTube video showing you more about shaping and buffing and filing your DIY at home acrylic nails. But for right now, I have to keep this video under 15 minutes, my bad, sorry. Under 15 minutes. So I'm going to shape and file off camera and then we're going to come back and we're actually going to do these with regular fingernail polish because if you are somebody that does not have a nail lamp or don't do gel nails and don't want to pay the price for gel polish, I totally got you, girl. This is a super easy way to get acrylic nails and not need a lamp. Now, for those of you that might end up actually having gel polish, go you. I definitely am going to be doing videos of the endless designs that you can do with our kit. Okay, because this is just so much more fun. Like, you don't have to flash cure, you don't have to cure, you don't have to, yeah, you don't have to worry about getting air bubbles. There's no air bubbles in these whatsoever. None. No air bubbles at all. Because the acrylic, you don't have to worry about trying to hold it down and it lifting up. The acrylic grabs the gel tip and literally just holds on for dear life. It makes everything so much easier on you. The acrylic does all the work here, and I'm not even joking. It literally holds the nail down for you while you are trying to clean up whatever you need to clean up. So let me get these shaped, and I will be right back with our design. All right, guys, I did the lazy method. I already did my nails because I'm worried about going over on time. So I'm just going to clean up around these edges and yeah. So look at how easy and cute these are to do. These are seriously the cutest and easiest nails. I'm going to go over it with one more top coat after I clean up around the edges and get all of this done, and then I will show you how cute and pretty they are. I mean, they're already cute and pretty. Do you see that? And that's with regular fingernail polish. So you can have super cute, adorable nails. I will show you the finished result once I clean these up, go around the edges with acetone because I do the messy method, and yeah, I'll be right back. I'm going to top coat one more time and we'll be done. Blah, 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 blah. Okay, so look, they're still a little wet and I already bumped one, but this is with regular fingernail polish and acrylic. No lamp necessary. If I can do this in my car, are you serious? You guys can do this at your home. You can do this on anybody you want. No lamp needed. Seriously, you guys, this is so cute and easy. And this is the big kit. So you guys are going to have more options for shapes, lengths, and size of kits. Actually, we're going to come out with a mini kit. So if you just want to do your nails a couple times or whatever, you can get the mini kit. But this is the full size kit and it's amazing. No lamp necessary with regular fingernail polish, and it is going to be bomb, okay? And if you got gel, then you got so much more possibilities ahead of you, okay? All right, guys. Bye. If you have any questions, please leave them for me down in the comments. This is dropping tomorrow. So this is going to be up on the site tonight. Pretty much after midnight, everything will be up. So I love you guys. Bye.